Hey Jason, can I open the HM61R? Are you even listening? Well, in that case, let's open her up. This is the HM61R from Fenix Lighting. Capable little headlamp with a couple tricks up its sleeve, which we'll see in just a moment, but first, let's go over the specs. So this light boasts a maximum output of 1200 lumens. That gives it a 145 meter beam throw. The box notes that in here you're getting a headlamp and a flashlight. We'll go over what they mean by that in a moment when we open her up. The light operates in white and red light modes, that red light being indispensable if you need to retain your night vision. Perforated head strap, always good to keep things breathable, and of course their head strap is compatible with their helmet mounting accessories. The light comes with an 18650 lithium battery. We'll see what that means for battery life afterwards, but first let's open it up. Oops. So we've got the owner's manual, we've got the warranty card. This light has a 5-year warranty, but if you register, you get an extra 6 months. So don't forget to register your Fenix Lighting products. We've got a spare O-ring to retain the 2-meter waterproof rating on this light, and the charge cable. So USB to their little proprietary head. And there is the headlamp. So we've got a strap that goes around and over the head. The light doesn't weigh that much, but when you're wearing it for a long period of time, that overhead strap is definitely nice. We can see there the light shining through the perforations of the head strap. That's what they're talking about there. Good and breathable, and then also doesn't soak up water. So that's one of the things with their material, is it's not going to get overly damp or nasty because it's going to let stuff pass right through it. We've got one big button on the outside of this unit. That's the only control on this light, making it very easy to operate with one hand or while wearing gloves. It pivots 180 degrees. Inside its mount there. And then the charge cable just snaps on the back. Yay for magnets. Now the box mentioned headlamp and flashlight. So if we pop this strap on the front, the HM61R comes right on out of there. And we've got this belt clip on it, so it's a really nice little 90-degree light to either stick on a backpack or on a multi-loop system. Now the real exciting bit with this guy is it's magnetic. So not are you only getting a headlamp and a flashlight, you're getting a not bad little work light either, or warning light when it's in that red light mode. Well, now let's take this thing out and see how it performs.
Hi, this is Jason from Ralcomm, and this is my son Isaac. Say hi, Isaac.
Hello.
He's here to give us a hand on demonstrating how bright this Fenix headlamp is. Okay, so right now it's off. You can just barely see Isaac here. So I'm going to turn on our headlamp at the brightest setting, and you can see I can illuminate him fairly well. He's pretty close. Okay, Isaac, I want you to turn around and start walking away from me. So he's not illuminated anymore. There's the second brightness level. There's our third. And there's our fourth. Okay, stop, buddy. And now I've got it on the brightest setting. How bright is that?
Super bright.
Don't want to blind him there. That gives you an idea of the brightness of the light. So Isaac, what's your favorite part of that light?
That it's super easy to use.
Is it really bright?
Yes.
Should you look directly into the light when it's at full brightness? Is that a good idea?
No, unless you have special equipment.
No. It is never a good idea to look into the light at full brightness. Okay?
Yes.
So that is what we are going to for sure tell everybody watching this video. Do not stare into the light at full brightness. Okay, can you say bye, Isaac?
Goodbye.
Bye.
One of the things I appreciate most of Fenix as a brand is that on the back of the majority of their products, they have a handy little battery guide. So with the included 18650 lithium battery on the HM61R here, we should see 2 hours of runtime off the 1200 lumen output mode, so on that turbo mode there. With a more reasonable 400 lumens, we should see 4 hours of runtime. The medium setting of 150 lumens, 12 hours of runtime. 38 hours on the low settings, and 300 hours on the eco mode. If we're running it in red light mode, you can expect 400 hours out of the low output, and 80 hours out of the medium output. Flashing mode gives 160 hours of output if you're needing to use it as a marker light or warning light. So that is the HM61R. Headlamp, flashlight, work light, and warning light, all in one tidy little package. If you've liked the video, please leave a like. If you've disliked it, please comment below and let us know why. Of course, feel free to subscribe so you can keep track of our future content, and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we post a new video. If you'd like to purchase or have questions about any of the products that we featured in our videos, please contact us via Ralcomm.com. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.